Hello and thanks for watching, and I wanted to wish all of you a happy Easter, and I hope you're out there enjoying this beautiful day with your friends and family. Judging by this flyover of the rainbow today, it doesn't look like there's a lot of people on the river, and most of the people are probably out spending times with their friends and family. Pretty deserted. Now you'll notice this is a lower part of the Rainbow River where the coves are. So you got the state park and then KP Hole, and then all the way down here by the downtown Dunnellon is the neighborhood of Blue Cove, and you'll see the two coves. And these coves are up to 40 feet deep in some spots. This is the old phosphate pits. They used to have railroad cars pulling phosphate out of these large pits. Great place to fish today, though. Down here is where the Blue Run Park is. And what's really neat about the Blue Run Park is it connects the Withlacoochee Bike Trail to the Blue Run Trail. And that enables you to go all the way down to Tampa, basically on the bike trail. It goes all the way to Dade City, but there is a connector that connects it over to the Pinellas Trail. But this lower part of the Rainbow River runs right through downtown Dunnellon, and it connects to the Withlacoochee River, and it flows down to Lake Russo, and then out of the dam, and then into the barge canal, and then out to the Gulf of Mexico. This part of the river is where we live, and we also often paddle here, swim here. Here you see Pennsylvania Street and Swampy's, which is a restaurant everybody's familiar with. Just wanted to wish you a great day and hope you're enjoying this beautiful Easter. Take care. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Yeah, please subscribe. And I'm about to do something in 3, 2, 1.